Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be drawing Lord Uzui Tengen, the Hashira of Sound. By the way, let me know if I pronounce that wrong because it sounds bad when I say it. Those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know, but I am a huge fan of the anime Demon Slayer. I used to not watch anime at all until the past year or two because all of my siblings watch anime, so I eventually watched it. First, it was AOT, then I got into Demon Slayer, then Fruits Basket, and SAO. At first, I was very reluctant to watch Demon Slayer because scary movies or series are not really my thing. I get startled really easily and I feel a bit faint when I see lots of blood, even if it's fake. But I got used to it after some time, and I don't really mind the goriness of Demon Slayer anymore. Anyway, the new season of Demon Slayer came out not too long ago after the movie with Rengoku, the Fire Hashira, and I absolutely loved the new episodes. My favorite Hashira as of now is Lord Uzui Tengen because he's flashy. I love sparkles, shiny things, glittery things, and anything pretty, and Lord Tengen kind of is a part of that. He's just extremely flamboyant and he has all these pretty jewels. He's drawn really well and I love his character design. At first he comes off as a bit cocky, but he's a really good person and he's just incredible. Like the way that he was fighting the demon siblings in the series, it was amazing. Also, I thought he was kidding about having 3 wives. I thought it was like code for spies, but I think he actually has 3 wives. I'm so excited and anxious for the next season or movie to come out. I really wanted to see the demons meeting with Master Muzan, but of course it was a cliffhanger. Let me know down in the comments below who your favorite Hashira is and if you enjoyed the season that just came out. Anyway, I wanted to draw him and I knew it was going to be a lot of work, but I'm going to do it anyway. I used this reference picture of him and I'm drawing him in my style. I don't think I'm going to change anything about him. I'm going to use the exact same colors, shapes, and sizes. I don't usually draw very bulky guys like Lord Tengen, but I'm going to do my best and make him look really buff.
He has a lot of details, so this drawing is going to take me a long time, but hopefully it turns out good. Well, there's not really a lot of details, but I've never really drawn jewels or swords before, so it's kind of out of my comfort zone. However, it's always good for an artist to be out of their comfort zone once in a while so that we can grow. The coloring part took a long time because there were so many different colors. The sword had like 5 different colors, so I had to put it on a bunch of different layers. But I think the shading took me the longest time, maybe about 2 hours. I have to create a bunch of layers and change the setting of the layers to create the shading effect that I have on my drawings. One of these days, I'll do a tutorial of how I draw in Procreate.
Anyway, I'm going to go back and blend all of the shading because it looks really weird right now, so don't worry, I'll fix that. Time for the finishing touches, and don't forget the sparkles. Alright, well that's all I have for you today. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.